All these qualities can be attained by a devotee automatically. Jasyasi bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai tatra samasate sura. Sarvai gunai, all good qualities, as it is said, Gunalaya, the reservoir of all good qualities. This can be attained, this stage can be attained only by training in Krishna consciousness. So, about Ajamil, the Jamadutas, they said, we know that this man, Ajamil, was fully qualified before. Jitabrata, Nidudanta, Sattavang, truthful, never speaks untruth. Satta, Samadama, Satta. Or Sattavang means Param Sattam Dhimai. Param Sattam is Krishna, Vasudeva, who is only speaking about Krishna, the Supreme Truth. He is called Sattavang. He does not speak anything. Kirtaniya Sada Hari. He is simply glorifying. If one's life is dedicated to preach about Krishna, then he is also Sattavang. He does not speak anything else. So these Krishna conscious members, they are simply trained up to go and speak about Krishna. Therefore they are Sattavang. They do not speak anything else. They do not waste their time by speaking anything which has no relation with Krishna. That is Sattavang. Sattavang, mantravid. Mantravid means one who knows. And mantra means Vedic hymns. Mantravid. So therefore, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, this chanting is called Mahamantra. See, if anyone chants Hare Krishna, then he is not only mantravid, but is Mahamantravid. Because the Hare Krishna chanting is called Mahamantra. Mantravid. Suchi. Suchi means Brahman. And Muchi means non-Brahman. There are two words still current in the Hindu society. Suchi and Muchi. Muchi means cobbler, dealing with skin. I am this skin, I am white skin, I am black skin, I am American skin, I am Indian skin. This understanding means Muchi. And Muchi is skin expert. This is cow skin, this is goat skin, this is lamb skin. Then he is called Muchi, skin expert. Modern technology has given the title tannery expert. So this tannery expert, if you become tannery expert, then you are Muchi. So there is a Bengali proverb, Muchi hoye suchi hoy, jadi Krishna bhaje. Every one of us, we are all tannery expert. And we are created so many isms on the basis of becoming a tannery expert. Therefore they are called Muchi. So, Muchi hoye Suchi hoy. And Suchi means Brahman, pure. He has no such sense of becoming a tannery expert. He is Brahmana, Brahmavid. One who knows Brahma, he is called Brahmana, he is Suchi. He is no more tannery expert. So therefore it is said, if from the Muchi platform, if you want to become Suchi, really Brahmana, purified, then you have to take to Krishna consciousness. Muchi hoye Suchi hoy, Jadi Krishna bhaje. If one becomes Krishna conscious, then from the platform of becoming a muchi, one becomes suchi. Therefore we have no caste distinction, because our process is to elevate the muchi to the platform of suchi, this Krishna consciousness movement. Actually, that is the fact. We are unnecessarily becoming tannery expert. That is not the aim of life. The aim of life is to become Shuchi, to become Brahmana, or the person who is aware of Brahma. Brahma janati iti Brahman. This is the philosophy. But nobody is interested to become a Brahmana. Everyone is interested to remain a muchi and tannery expert. That is not the aim of life. So this is training. Muchi hoye, suchi hoye. One can be trained up to become a suchi from the platform of muchi. And even though one is born of a suchi family, if by practice he is not Krishna conscious, then he automatically becomes a muchi. Suchi hoye, muchi hoye, jadi Krishna tyaje. If one gives up Krishna consciousness, even though he is born in a Brahmin family, or even though he has practiced Brahmanism, still on account of his not accepting Krishna consciousness, he is accepted as muchi. Suchi hoye, muchi hoye, jadi Krishna tyaje. And muchi hoye, suchi hoye, jadi Krishna bhaje. If one is Krishna conscious, then is Suchi. This Ajamil became Suchi, Brahmana. Then Guru Agni, Guru the spiritual master, Agni the fire, and Atithi. Atithi means uninvited guest, hospitality. If somebody comes at your home without your invitation, he is called Atithi. Tithi means particular time and date. But a person arrives at your home without any invitation on particular time and date. This is called Atithi. Atithi Satkar. This is also one of the items of Vedic culture. Atithi Satkar. So, the sannyasis especially, they are begging from door to door, so they have no fixed up program in which door he will go on which date. No. Anywhere they approach. The word Atithi means generally the brahmachari and the sannyasi. Brahmachari is also begging alms from door to door, and a sannyasi also allowed. But door to door does not mean that he would collect more than his necessity. But he does not cook. A sannyasi goes to a pure householder's life at home, because generally in a Brahmin's house or Kshatriya or Vaishya, but not to a Shudra. This is the distinction. Why? Because the three upper classes, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, especially the Brahmana, they are considered the topmost. They have got Vishnu worship at home. Still, in all Brahmins' family, ancestral Shalagram Shila is worshipped in a Brahman family. So also in Kshatriya family. So these sannyasis go to a Brahman family because it is known fact the Brahmanas are engaged in worshipping Vishnu. Brahmana means Vaishnava. Brahmana means